Hey besties, let's talk about something we all need but never give enough attention to: our after school routine. Trust me, this isn't going to be boring. We're about to turn your afternoons into something productive, relaxing, and even fun. Let's dive right in.
Let's be serious. First things first, unpacking devices. When you walk into your room after school, don't just dump your stuff everywhere like you're in a rush to nowhere. Take a minute to unpack your bag, put your books in their place, and, most importantly, charge your devices. Yes, I'm talking about your phone, laptop, and even that tablet you only use for Pinterest. A charged device is a happy device, and you'll thank yourself later when you don't have to scramble for a charger during a study session. Okay, let's talk about outfits. School uniforms or stiff clothes goodbye. The moment you get home, slip into your favorite oversized hoodie or those soft PJs you adore. If you grab a healthy snack like fruit or nuts while you're at it, trust me, your brain runs better on snacks that don't come from a vending machine. Now, this is where the magic happens. Take a solid 30 minutes to just relax, scroll through TikTok guilt-free, read that webtoon you're obsessed with, or simply lay on your bed and do absolutely nothing. Recharge yourself because you've earned it. But hey, set a timer because we're not about to accidentally nap for 3 hours. Once you're recharged, it's homework time. I know. Not exactly a vibe, but hear me out. Set up your workspace with cute pens, good lighting, and maybe a little playlist in the background. Pro tip: work in short bursts, 25 minutes of focus, followed by a 5-minute break. During those breaks, stretch, grab water, or do a little dance party in your room. Now let's level up to studying. If you have tests coming up, this is the time to focus. Flashcards, colorful notes, and maybe a YouTube tutorial or two if you're feeling fancy. Remember, studying is less painful when your desk looks straight out of an Instagram post. After all that brain power, give yourself some me time. Do something that makes your heart happy. Paint your nails, binge your comfort show, or FaceTime your bestie. This is your moment to unwind before dinner time. Eat something nourishing because your body needs fuel. And if there's any schoolwork left, tackle it now while you're still in semi-productive mode. Trust me, getting it done today saves you from morning panic tomorrow. Before you call it a day, prep for tomorrow. Lay out your outfit, pack your bag, and double-check that everything is ready. Future you will thank you for this, especially when you're half asleep in the morning. Now it's time to wash off the day. A warm shower with your favorite vanilla or lavender-scented body wash. Instant relaxation. Pair it with some soft music, and you've got yourself a mini spa night. And finally, bedtime. Cozy up in your blankets, turn off your phone, and aim for a solid 7 hours of sleep. Sleep is your glow-up secret. Don't skip it. And there you have it, an after-school routine that's not just productive but also feels like self-care. If you try this out, let me know how it goes in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your besties who need a routine glow-up. See you in the next video. And remember, you're doing amazing, sweetie.